Now, how to do PRT? So, it's super simple yet very effective. You have to do PRT on tender points. So don't confuse it that you are going to do it on a trigger point. You can also do it on a trigger point, but any tender point can be done with PRT. So what you will do is you will first assess and you will check the painful area. Say for example, for him, this is the maximum painful point. Okay. So you will ask the patient whether it is tender. If it is yes, then you will mark that point, okay, and you can mark it with a marker, or you can just hold that area with your contact surface. Okay, so say for example, this is the point of maximum tenderness. Okay, so he's feeling pain there already as I am pressing it. So you will press it completely. So that will be a kind of ischemic compression. Now what you will do is, maintaining that pressure, you will bring the muscle into a shortened state. So say for example, this is trapezius. So I'll bring the neck into side flexion, maintain that passively, and from here I will shrug the shoulder. That also passively, no active movements over here. And I will maintain that position and I'll check whether at this angulation he is feeling less pain over that point. Is it lesser or is it completely gone?
It's less.
It's less. So let us change the movement a bit to make it completely pain-free. Now, completely gone. So now at this particular angulation, he is not feeling any pain. So we will maintain that position of ease for 25 to 30 seconds. So this position of ease you have to find out. So you have to basically bring the muscle into extremely contracted state. That will be the position of ease or comfort for that particular muscle, and you will maintain the pressure with your contact surface. And while maintaining that, you will keep asking the patient to breathe in and out normally. Maintain that 25 to 30 seconds, and after that release the position and ask your patient whether the pain has reduced. Is it better? Yeah, so tenderness will go low. Now at the same point you can repeat it for 3 to 4 times and the tenderness will be gone completely. Then same ways you will find the other tender point in that muscle only, and you can repeat the whole procedure. Thank you.